Hello you all, I'm Arundhati Roktima and welcome to my channel. First of all, I want you guys to stop using to in every single possible situation. Today I'm going to tell you when to use it and when not to use it and how can you replace it with a better response. For example, if someone says, I like cakes, then your response can be, me too, I also like cakes. That is completely correct, but you still could replace it with something else, a better response. So today we are going to learn how to do that. So let's go. So first, let's take a look at a few examples. For example, I want to go to school. I want to eat a cake. I like playing video games. So in these scenarios, you can use me too. Though it is grammatically correct to use me too in every single positive statement, you don't really need to do that. You can replace me too with better and more interesting ways. So if someone tells you something that is a positive statement, in that case, another way to replace me too can be me as well. For example, I like cars. Me as well. I also like cars. So by saying me as well, it is more formal way to replace me too. Another way to replace it can be by saying so do I. Let's take a look at a few examples. I eat mangoes. You can say so do I. I watched a movie yesterday. So you can say so did I. Here it's past tense, so that's why we use did instead of do. And then another example, I'm very happy today. So am I, because here the verb is changing. Depending on the verb of the sentence, you'll need to use either do, did or be form of the verb. They are is, am, are and was, were. But if someone gives you a negative statement, meaning that sentence has no, not or never in it, so in that case you cannot respond with me too or me as well or so do I. So if you want to agree with that negative statement, you have to reply by adding either in your sentence. Let's take a look at a few examples to understand it better. For example, I don't like pizzas with pineapples on it. I don't like it either. So you can add the word either to express that you're agreeing with the negative sentence. You can also say neither do I. I don't like going to school. Neither do I. You can also say me neither because in recent times it has become an acceptable response. So let's take a look at few examples. I don't like the TV show. You can reply with I don't like it either, or you can say me neither, or you can say neither do I. Neither do I is slightly more formal. So now let's take a recap of all the things we have learned with the help of a few examples. So I love to watch Stranger Things. It is my favorite show. You can reply with me as well or so do I. It's a replacement for saying me too. Now for negative statements, if you want to agree with negative statements, so for example, I don't really like movies. So you have three options now. You can say by adding either in your sentence, you can say me neither or neither do I. So I hope that you learned a few new things today and I hope that these things can be helpful for your future conversations. So if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel and also leave your comments. I love to read them and they motivate me a lot. So bye bye, I'll meet you soon in the next video.